So the Tomcat also, if you saw, how many people saw the movie Top Gun? Most of you, right? So that was a filter count when you cut air real close in, receiving that. The Tomcat Phoenix could fire it over 100 miles away, so you never saw who you were shooting at. But the missiles would take off and go up to over 100,000 feet and arc over to get the range to go out that far, because you didn't want the Soviets launching their missiles against the carrier. But in offensive counter-air, you're very close in. That's what they call dogfighting. That's where the Phoenix was not the predominant. I mean, you use sparrows or sideliners, or even Canada, which is on the other side of the aircraft. It's a 20 millimeter 6-barrel Vulcan fin, fired 3,000 miles a minute. So in a few seconds, it spread out 120 millimeter shells, and that was the really close in. But most of them used to sparrow over sideliner. In 1978, we got another mission. You see this big thing behind us. That's the top system. Got 3 gigantic cameras in it. And that mission, our job is to take photography. Which was a traditional mission given by Crusaders and people launchers. But the Tomcat took that over to 78. And that was after when the first sustained combat reached the Tomcat. So we were with the
Yeah, I see that. I don't think so.